My very first Saint Martin. Saint Martin watches have always been on my list to get it. I've been wanting to get something original from Saint Martin and not the homage models as my first piece. So when I come across this model, I knew I had to get it as it fits my budget, where I picked it up for $200 using the year-end voucher on AliExpress. So what do you get with $200? It's a steal, I'd say. In the box, Saint Martin delivers a full package. You get the warranty card, the Saint Martin manual, and tools to remove the bracelet and pins. It also comes in a leather watch case that feels solid and well made with a proper watch cushion inside. And here it is, the Saint Martin SN0033. The design is clean, well proportionate, and most importantly, it stands on its own. Inside is powered by the Seiko Epson YN55 movement, which is reliable, proven, and easy to live with. The Jubilee-style bracelet done by Saint Martin feels smooth to the touch, solid in hand, and very comfortable on the wrist. It uses a screw-down pin, making sizing straightforward, and comes with an adjustable folding clasp that feels practical and well executed. And most importantly, what makes it stand out is the lume. It uses the BGW X1 blue applied on both the hands and hour markers. Simple, original, and well built. A very satisfying first Saint Martin, and definitely won't be my last.